going on, guys? It's your boy JD the Kid, and guess what? I have some awesome news for you guys. As you guys already know, this quarantine thing has hit hard, okay? And I'm very bored. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very bored at home. So Nintendo have sent me this awesome Switch, which I can't wait to tell you guys a bit about. So let's go. I had a Nintendo Switch before and I downloaded some awesome games such as Fortnite and Mario Kart. And one of the other games that Arabella has been talking about lately a lot is this Animal Crossing game. I do not know what the hype is, but today we're going to find out with my Nintendo Switch. So let's go. I've opened up the box and I've realised they have some startup instructions, which is really cool. You don't really get that on consoles, which is very unique and different. And look at how cool it looks. Check it out, it's a Nintendo Switch, and here we have the blue joystick and we also have the red one here. We also have the screen, which looks very cool. I took these two out of the box. These are the JoyCon strap. So guys, you know when you're playing, like, let's just say a game where you have to swing around the Nintendo, well, these will help you. All you gotta do is tighten it on your wrist and it won't go nowhere. I've heard a lot of stories of people smashing their TVs because they don't have one of these, so get yourself one of these bad boys. So in the box, I also found some important information, so if you guys having any troubles, make sure you go hit up this little booklet here. It's got all you need inside. In the box, I also found this awesome Nintendo charger, which I know I'm going to be charging my one up to 100%. And also, guys, in the box I found an awesome Nintendo controller, so you already know your boy is going to be zooming on Mario Kart with this. This is the box I've been waiting for. So this actually helps you. If you plug your HDMI in to the back over here behind this bit here, there's a couple ports you can put in. So you got the AC adapter, the USB and the HDMI out lead. So make sure you pop that in, plug it into your TV, plug your Nintendo Switch into there, and you're all good to go. There you guys have it, my Nintendo Switch. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you comment down below if you got a Nintendo Switch or if you want to get one, as I will be doing a giveaway with one of these very soon. So make sure you guys stay tuned. It's been your boy JD, over and out. Peace.